Ma'am?
Pretty soon.
Yes, ma'am.
But if you find him here sometimes, don't
Yes, ma'am.
y'all.
Did you want this picture frame? It got paint on it though. Oh.
These boxes too were moving.
Oh, yeah. Best place to get them. Did you want this? It has paint on it though.
Oh,
It like wet paint.
no.
No.
I don't need no wet paint. God forbid. It's nice though.
It's nice.
What it is. You come over here every week too?
I live here.
I know. But I'm saying, you know.
Yeah, I come to the house for a living. I have a YouTube channel. Ma'am? I had. Uh-oh. We have some other dumpster hours. That's right there. So, anyway. I'll check over here at this one and then I'm gonna head out. To hang around too long with other people. Okay, I got a couple clothes from the baby dumpster, and then that's good. But they probably are gonna get caught because they're in the chair. Oh gosh, guys, y'all have to see my hands. It is completely covered with blue paint. But thank goodness I got there before them because I got something that's cool. And we'll look at it when I get to the house. Welcome back to the channel. So I made it home with the items that I got. These items are from the Michael's dumpster. And as you've seen in the video, I didn't dive alone today because as soon as I was diving, and I don't know if you hear on there, but it was a car pulled up with a lady and her sister, and she's like, you dive here, you know, every week or whatever, and I was like, I'm here, I live in town. She's like, oh, I know that, but I mean, or, you know, do you dive here all the time? And I was like, yes, I do. I was like, I have a YouTube channel. So she didn't seem very interested in it. I think she was more upset that I had got to the dumpster before her. And let me tell you what, I got a nice big surprise when I looked in the dumpster today. I'm going to start off with the small things first. I actually went by the baby dumpster, so I'm going to show you those items. A few clothes, there wasn't many in there. Probably sometime this weekend it will be some more in there. So I just got a few clothes to show you. Anything that I can find to save and salvage is worth it. So anyway, it was some cute little shorts, little kid shorts. Here's some pink pants. Now all of these clothes will be getting donated. We're getting ready to do the clothing exchange this month, and so I will be donating these clothes to it. And here is some nice ones with little elephants on the leggings. I hope y'all can hear me out here. There is someone moving, so the moving truck is out here, and it was so nice on the patio today. I wanted to come out here, so I'll try to talk loud enough for you to be able to hear me. The next item, isn't that cute? That is too darling. It says, I just want a hug. Oh, okay. So that was it from the baby dumpster. Now let me show you these items. These are all from the Michael's dumpster. We're gonna first start off with this picture frame. It kind of looks very rough. I don't know if they have this in the back room or something, but I mean, the glass is not broke, so that is a good thing. And guys, look at that. It's still in the plastic. I'm gonna open it up because I will be keeping this. It is missing a little top that go on here. I can super glue any kind of little top to go on here, but wow, it's plastic, but it's not broke or anything. Really cute. You can put decorative flowers or anything for occasion in here. Thinking about maybe putting some shelves in here, so I want to turn my living room into more of a seat theme. And of course, if we go to Michael's, we must find some dumpster flowers. So, yep, here they are. Just a different selection of floor flowers. Here's some. I guess they decided to start their vehicle back up. Here's some gold flowers here. We have this nice bouquet. This wreath here, take that plastic out of the way. A nice little wreath here. And we have this. Kind of look like something you would put in the aquarium, like some aquarium stuff. And a little cute flower. Let's see if I can put it in there today. I don't have much hair. There's nothing to hold on to it this time. So, anyway, I did want to also show you this. This is my next to the biggest item, but this is 11 by 14. Just a wood frame. The glass is broke on it, but it's still a really nice frame. Okay, last but not least, guys, and this was what I was so excited about. So, this is amazing. Let me see if I can pull it up. Look at that. Wow. A water fountain. Yep. A garden water fountain. Now, as you can see, the box is torn up. And your girl did all this tearing up, trying to grab it out of there with my grabber. I was like, that ain't gonna work. I had to get my chair and grab this big thing out of there. So it says it's damaged because it's leaking, but you know, we've had a little one that said that too. So, here's your instructions. Honestly, guys, I don't think they even took this out of here. Like, they did a good job of wrapping it back up. The reason why I say I don't think they opened this because this bottom part is still in the plastic wrap. Okay. Can't even get it out of the box. Okay. See this? I don't even think that they used it. You know, sometimes when people want to take stuff back, they just say something because this really doesn't look like it's been used. Okay. Yeah, it's not even wet in the holes or anything. So, hey. Oh. Okay, guys. So I'm going to put this together. Yeah, I'm going to put it together and I'll show you the video. But just look, I mean, they came maybe 3-4 minutes after I had got there, and I pulled this big boy out of there. And yeah, I'm excited about this. So I'm going to hook it up with the pump, see how to do it, and see if this thing's work, and I will get right back to you. Okay, so I put this together. Let me show you. Here you go. And it says to put some water in the base of this. Well, in the water basin. I already connected the wires. So I had some water out here for my plants. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this water into the fountain. Okay. Let's see if this works. These things always make me nervous because of this water electricity thing. Okay. I have the plug. Let's see if this works. See it? Fingers crossed. bring y'all closer for you can see. Okay, it is at an angle. Okay, that's where the plug's supposed to come out. It's round on this side. There we go. So it had a little angle at the bottom. See, down here at the bottom is where the little cord's supposed to be sticking out. Guys, it's working. Look at that. Y'all see it? That is awesome. Wow. Let me pull y'all up close. It is working. It's no leaks. As you can see around here, this is a paper table. It's no leaks. That's why I said I don't even think that they even took it out of the package. They just didn't want it. Look at the light. Tonight is going to be so beautiful. The sound of the water. You hear it? So relaxing. It's like having a Zen garden, you know, around all my lovely plants that I'm growing. I still got to take my 4th of July stuff down, but beautiful. That was an amazing find, guys. Alright, if you haven't hit this channel for subscribe, guys, don't wait any longer. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit me with a like, and I'll see you on the next dive.